St. Mary, Nova, Wagwan, welcome to Jamaica Good Life. Beautiful St. Mary, big up on yourself, people that have nice house. Look on the hill top, house all the way up on top. Jamaica Good Life, non-stop, look on the beauty. Housing scheme. People, Jamaica Good Life. This is at Twist. It's a place in St. Mary, and them serve ice cream. So check it out. You can Google it, right? Support our local business for Mother's Day. Look at this. These people is Jamaica Good Life. Cha cha. St. Mary, you're doing good. You're doing darn good, St. Mary. Look at Jamaica, how pretty it is. Come to Twist in St. Mary. Near what up? Ryan Nova. You see, for them business locally, Twist is gonna be a big business. I think you guys should invest in a franchise. They used to make the ice cream. This is mango and guava. Yes, Mom. Okay, time for you guys to order. Get Jamaica Good Life. Sign it. So when you come Twist, look out for Jamaica Good Life at Twist. See that? Twist. It's a place, ice cream place. See this? And then make some amazing stuff too. People, we're in St. Mary now. There's a land for sale. And you should, let me tell you something. You don't like fair. Wait and waste time, you know. For sale. 876 2. I don't know, let me take a picture maybe. Boy. 876 2 something 2 555. Boy, I don't know, you know. But anyway. I'm gonna get the name of the place for now. Let me tell you, whatever I do, I'm gonna buy it. I'm telling you something. I rock this. Solid rock. Building a house on the rock. See there? Land for sale. On the tande. See there? On the kuya. After I build the house, car around here, Randy. When you show me the view and I set me here upon the piece of London. Me sell me $500,000 house and me look there, I rain me a walk, come to get view for now. Missus, if me see this hand, me have about 100,000 probably for the little piece of that. Look there. Look for the other house in front of a white man buy the house and renovate it. On the turn there. I said Mary, near Ryan Nova. Look here. Every day when I get up talk about crime, look on this, look on the view from the balcony. Oh Lord. Eh? Beach 10 minutes of the river and I rain me there now. I showing up. What the time there? What the time they talk about crime at Jamaica? Look on the view. Jesus, peace. So I don't know what to do. I see 876. It look like 232. Right? 5. Alright, 5. I'm gonna try a different number, but that look like a 5. No, sir. We call real estate people not. What's the name of the place, area? Huddersfield? Huddersfield. And this lane is what?
What's the name of it?
This is Huddersfield. So St. Mary Ryan Nova Huddersfield. Well, come by that piece of land there. A last piece left. Alright people, so let me show you now. If you go 162 Marrakech Drive, Marrakech Drive, 162. The land there right in front of 162. Ask the real estate people. And here we are. This is St. Mary Huddersfield. See there, every place in Jamaica, not a beachfront proper. Yeah, no beachfront, but the view, look on the view around here, so. You see, couple years from now, but I'll try to come back. So, I'm not going to actually random, I know you take him back. When nobody else appear, sprat and escovitch, fish and lobster, they must cook for me. I say, Randy, you know, say, you make me buy the piece of London. Me and my husband love you so much, we watch the show every day. But nobody no give me no gas money, or no must go eat. So, hey, no let me cost no, hey. Don't Randy no have no upbringing, but let me tell you something, if I had the money, I would have built a piece of church for it so we can praise the Lord and look over on the water. Hey, I would bring the one of them and baptize them in the sea. Huddersfield, what a piece of view. So I look on the house around here. So I look at get the thing around here. So look here. Look at Maxine. Maxine, look on the place. Me say me rich, win the lotto.
Right up the lane from Emerald Garden.
Right up there from Emerald Garden. Can you take us on another tour? Where can we go to see some things? Views are... Okay. So this is St. Mary Tour. And we are in area of Stewart Town. This is Jamaica. Stewart Town is that way? And now we're going to Ryan Nova Way. As you can see across here, Huddersfield Estate. So the land is near Huddersfield Estate and near the Emerald Estate, Google that. And the Emerald Estate, you can probably buy property in there still, right? I don't know. It's raining in St. Mary. Water is always in St. Mary.
Make a left here.
Here? Here?
Yes.
Boy!
I've never been up here. We're just gonna look at the houses.
Okay, so this is Emerald Estate?
No, this is just a
Okay, alright. So this is in St. Mary. So, I don't know which part of Jamaica on the say crime every day, but you know, mango the pantry over there, so. Okay. This is St. Mary. Okay. Give thanks to all the good wife. Them happy Mother's Day too. And they deserve a big mansion. Well, they live in a little kitchen. A big kitchen enough to have. You see big house I look for owner. Yeah, you don't need a house like this. All the good woman them with the good loving. See that for your house. Send me right there. Yeah. Everywhere in Jamaica you need a lioness and a lion. The rain. Yeah man. Watch out. Oh boy, man, I tell you, so Jamaican people just amazing. Hey, see that? The boathouse here. Look like it have a shipwreck. Hey, that boathouse, they look like it was a storm, cause the boat won't feel. Hey. Penny's close. See the boathouse, the people. Wow. Watch it. Tour out, you know. Oh wow, look at that. Boathouse. So this is Jamaica. People live and do them thing. The famous boathouse. I wonder what happened to the owner. People over the world must come up on the boathouse. But I wanna paint the ship. The ship on top yet, man. Jaja. Oh, go on. Someone no. Oh, go on. Someone not pay the painter.
Wow. People are building.
People are
building, and it's not Jamaicans half the time.
Well, yes, I know Jamaicans have you.
Half the time, you know. So they're making the people that come take over our country.
Okay.
Must come and take back what ours.
People, hear what the ladies say.
A lot of we have family land.
So all these areas here, and what do you say the area is called? Huddersfield, they all have sea view in St. Mary. And you see them put on them container and them build them house. All of them have a sea ocean view, right? Big up on yourself, Jamaicans. Look at that. I love it. Love to see Jamaicans making progress. After all that's been said and done. Big up on yourself who overbuild this. Look them on hard work, you know? Hard work. Hard work pays off. People see that. They might do them thing. Up top. You see, in a life, you know, you just so you don't have to live in a mobile. You know, look at that. You don't have to live in a mobile. St. Mary, no hot beach nearby, so now St. Mary look like a nice returning resident. Look there, them now pay attention to St. Mary, you know. St. Mary around hot, you know. Look there, people. Nice rain in St. Mary, you can't flood down there, so. And it take what, 30 minutes from Oti?
Yep.
And wow, look on the build up, man. Jaja, and nobody now show you this in Jamaica. Nobody now showing this. See it there? Nobody now showing this. Look here. Nobody not showing us. Say, this is not a joke in Jamaica. Oh no, I keep telling you. I keep telling you, say, this is not a joke. Them on them house, eh? Yeah, man, see the people. Yes, I
Solar panels.
see them. And especially good thing about a dead end is that you can come around here so just to, you know, you have to live here. So that's a beautiful thing about these places around here. You know, it's exclusive, peaceful, and no traffic, and your security. If I drive it one, this is what life is like in St. Mary. You see, we did Mandeville and we showed you how Mandeville, we show you Iron True Mobile. Now we're in St. Mary showing you. So if you look at Jamaica now from a perspective and you keep Royal Palm Way, this neighborhood is what again? Huddersfield. So now okay, see it there? So now, if this is happening in Jamaica, okay, and this is what this story I keep saying. If this is what's happening in Jamaica, this is the other side of Jamaica you don't see and don't get promoted. The question to you is, are you getting the full story? Are you seeing the full view? Who are these people? Bad people? Is there any possibility of hope in this country? Jamaica gone to the dogs. You're watching the wrong channel. Stick to Jamaica Good Life. Yeah? Stick to Jamaica Good Life. And we're going to report to you the next side of the story visually. So you can't say, I run this, say this, and I run this, say that. On a seat for yourself. So this is kind of like a new area, right? And they're not even make the sign yet. See how still up in the front. Whoa, this is not a bargain, this is not a deal. For sale, but a koyapa, you know how we're going to go get for sale side for them in a film. When I take the number down, make me pause it. See there? Write it down good, Maxine. 876-535-8054. Sajik Core, property service for sale. Look like sitting up this up for sale. And lots up of them? Lots up there for sale? Plots there for sale. Hey, one of must love Jamaica Good Life, you know, me just making a dream come true. Hey, now what's it me, you know, this is the beach view. Whoa, Maxine, Randy did it again. Yeah. You know what I mean? Happy? Me happy because there is hope. You know what I say? There is hope. Some might not be head with soap, but there is hope. There is hope. There is hope for Jamaica yet. Boy, what a thing, sir. What a piece of house them. I'm going to get phone number for you too. What do not stand there? Look for Randy. Me a tour of Jamaica, Royal Rio Nova Resorts. But look at the house. St. Mary are going with things, man. Go on St. Mary. Randy's here. The rain came, the blessing came when I came. Such a beauty that the parish of St. Mary blessed me. You know, I want to go to the beach when the rain stop fall. Thank you, Queen, for introducing the whole world, you see? My fans, them introduced me to... Yes. When you come, take over St. Mary, my people, them. Make a right, yourself. beach this area? What that beach in here?
Sugar pot.
Sugar pot?
This is the river. This is right. Yeah, this is it. This up?
River. Okay, we see. Sugar pot.
This is an old estate here, Jamaican owned. You can come horseback riding here.
Okay.
Horseback riding on the river and on the beach.
So this
Yes.
Rio Nova Village rafting.
I need to rafting too, and
Okay.
horseback riding.
Nice. A lot of tourists
Yeah,
come.
and yeah, very nice.
Very nice.
We've done.
That's near to you. That's
Yeah.
great. So people if you buy the land, this is what one can expect. Not bad. Oh, this is the horseback riding.
This is all a part of the estate.
So this is the beach you go to? How's the water? Rough?
Come on.
Nice and
Very nice.
food good run and stuff?
This is the fisherman side. This is the free side. But I always go from here. See? Go kayaking. Beach bar. Yeah.
Oh. So the beach over there, sir. Beach over there, sir. Stone. Go wait there. Let's go farther on the gun. So what they say go more time. Nice, nice. St. Mary. St. Mary, see there? I'll go to the place called right near. Yeah. We're going on another housing scheme. It's a renewable battle site and museum. Okay. know, so we like to drive out. And they not even put on the gate for the housing scheme. They tell them I go sneak in. You see me? That's how country run the boys, you know. Look the people, the gate not on yet. That means that place still there for sale. Look here, sir. Yeah, man. For sale. So what I'm telling you, sir, buy Remax, zoom on it, take it, wait. 892-1301 for sale. If this no help you know, may Jesus save you, because that is the last chance you have. You know. Somebody run up the house. It's not bad at all. Look at the neighborhood. Thank you. Thank you, Natasha, Russian Jamaican. The Russian Jamaican girl I show no help you today, so God bless you, no cause. Look here, they might build up the one here, the gate not put on yet, because you see once the gate put on, you're not coming in so easy. Natasha, it look like say there is waterfront back of this too. Waterfront view. The neighborhood you don't know master, the house them. Lord of mercy. Boy. Boy, but look on them too. Boy, all straight one and bend one and curve one. You see this here, some people? Eh? This is Jamaica we not talk about. I'm gonna keep watching Ghetto News on YouTube. Turn the upscale on yourself and keep watching Ghetto News. Keep watching Ghetto News on YouTube. We're going to go and keep getting ghetto vibration. I sent Mary this. Pick up on the shelf here and over. I'm impressed. Because I tell about the place. And I have seaside view too. Buck up on it too. Hey. Boy. We say mosquito bite elephant cannot feel it. Me say you better feel this one here, so when you talk about Jamaica bad life, me say Jamaica good life. Look on it. Look on the house there. Mango the palm tree people. Natasha the Russian. And Natasha the Russian throw away, you know. So I make me give a tour my youth. You don't know Jamaica. I say, well, I say Natasha Russian. Is a black Russian Jamaican, you know, she grew up in Russia, that's what them call her Natasha. You see me? But I like the people them care. People, I enjoy this quite a bit. A full joy. See the sea view there? So hey, me don't know who not talk about Jamaica bad life, you know. Hey, on the top of the foolishness, you see? My son must say, me say, look on the yard, man. The dream is not dead, you know, people.
You know what foreigner come to get Jamaican citizenship? Watch it.
What's his name, right?
Yeah, Tower Hills.
Tower Heights. Mr. Tower Hills. Pardon me. Yes, I can breathe and the air fresh. I have sea view, fisherman place close by and river close by. Look on it, sir. Horseback riding, kayaking, rafting. Mandeville hot, you know. You know, not much channel, you know. So, if you don't have money buy one house, yes, they want the money. The whole of Jamaica nice. Every last part of it. But, no, sir. But this is what I talk about. Big up on yourself, Jamaica. Look here. What, Jaja? Look at the one. What a beauty, sir. What a beauty. Look on the road, Natasha. Jaja. You know, so I'm in the lot of me just buy up everything in there, sir. And just give to my girlfriend then. You know what I say? I joke, man. Stop. Oh, I go back. Boy, me I tell you, say, hey, me I talk foolishness, but me shocking at me. People. Let me tell you. I'm gonna stop talking of foolishness about Jamaica. You see me? This is a fresh building I go up there, so you know. I'm not going to this. I'm going to give them one for sale, right? This is the neighborhood I go buy now. Whoever catch a video first, them I go pop down the phone Dennis, give me the damn phone. Let me call the number by the one look up his house around the show me. You know, see the neighborhood. I talk about Jamaica bad life. Look for the damn house them in the neighborhood. Give me the phone. Tell the damn house, no, we are left. Dennis, give me the damn phone. No. You see Randy say, do it now.
So many people are retired and making $6,000-$7,000 a month.
$6,000-$7,000 a month.
Look like you see me a mango.
Hey dog, watch yourself you know. Oh, box in your mouth you know. Watch yourself. I mean box up your teeth then. I was around there the girls them can do. You don't know me? You see I sent Mary my girl. But yo, really. This is a neighborhood there so. I love it. 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 Somebody go and get this lucky house here where me are going to buy. Wonder if we can pass it again. So if this are the quality of the neighborhood, I mean, I see that. Yo, I must see some people from West Palm Beach come here so and tell them friends to come. Yo, the people that were building here say, you know, I must see some friends. Hats off to you, yeah. Blessings to you and good luck on our journey. My mama tell you somebody want to go look further. And look here. Me, when make somebody win a lucky house today. Here comes your little dream house at the front. Look on it. Said Mary, I can send best a run for money to blouse and skirt. They look like they want to take out Mandeville and them brand new turn on. Jaja. Oh, enough man I go get left today. Living in an apartment, building in New York City. Let me drive. See the little chance I don't have there. See it here. See it here. Oh no, see it here. I found no chance. One lucky winner today. Fight your own husband for the phone. Sell everything and buy the house. Get to the real Remax with. Sell everything. Hey? Left the husband and come check me and buy it and make me come cook fish for you. Left him. I ran to make this happen for you. Left him and come to me. Me cook for you. Left him. I could take him money and just. Sure. Hey! Hey! Left the idiot boy. Now run to find your house. That was wonderful. Thank you, Queen Natasha. Queen Natasha from Russia, the Jamaican Russian. And you go set up the people them one lucky winner. No, all jokes aside, this was impressive. I mean, know there's more. So just wait. All of this up to right. Alright, so this is just like Mandeville. Every little turn you make, there's something. You know? And I'm like what I'm seeing from St. Mary. It's been a while. I've never been around this part. But is one up here, so up here, so? Huh? Alright, so let's go up here, so. Let's see what I'm going. Bed and breakfast up here, so. Okay. When you Pampawa, look like a whole.
Pampano.
This is a kind of old estate. One of the original estate them. Okay, the one old. Okay. One thing though, you know, the rain on the road. Not really grow. Okay, so. Okay, so what happened now is that. Alright, one thing with Jump St. Mary, rainfall hard. So road always get a leak, right? But I don't want a house too big, you know, cause
How much for rent?
no sir.
Oh yeah, look on that. Got the artwork on this one.
No sir. I mean, them people that, look at them people that live in a zinc house in a ghetto or Kingston, you know. Once they make it, I'm saying, no, sir. Yeah, so, yes, because this is an old neighborhood. Very quiet. amazing experience to have you show us another part of Jamaica that you see Jamaicans and what they're doing. And remember, I know them will leave it to the next generation. So, whether the road good or bad, sometimes bad road don't make thief drive too fast.
Exactly.
So, enough for watch the road. Let's get a nice little Jeep. So, but, yeah, alright. So, one auntie we have a big house and nobody no come check her. And they made thief out of it for. But, I don't get all with no big house and everybody have thief everything out. If you have no people, no family around there, you know? This is Tower, welcome, this is Tower Isles. There's a guy I'm showing him, Tony, from Tower Isles. Here? Here? Okay. When it comes to road on St. Mary, hold on a minute. Good job, guys. Good job on your house. Randy love it. Nice greenery. Nice job, guys. Nice and pink. Yeah, man. Them a bill. See? Oh, nice, lovely. Peace and tranquility. Yeah, man. Respect. All aspects. Love it. Good job, Jamaicans. This is the positive channel. Great job. Yes. Thank you, Natasha, the Jamaican Russia, for inviting us to your neighborhood and having us take a tour. I see a nice lady in front of her, soon to be built. Look on the white. Oh, we get to the yellow one up there, so keep driving. Jaja. How fast are you coming here, sir? Okay, Natasha. Oy. Dinner not done yet, miss? Yeah, man, our house soon done.
She can live with it though. So
Yeah, man, that's the thing about it. Lovely. Nice work, guys. Beautiful Jamaican basketball court. Another good one. Good job with that one also. Great job, guys. Alright, and up there some more mansion and look on the hell of a yellow one there. Oh, the punky pinky punko. Oh, wow, then baby has Jaja, we buy houses cash. What is this, Cheetah? St. Mary. Stop it. Wow. Come on, St. Mary. I know that. And nobody's showing up on YouTube, right? Nobody not showing.
I'll call in the middle of the thousands.
Yes. We're going up top to the yellow house. Yes, my people. We buy house cash. Where we forgot? We'll go borrow there, so. make up the video because I have to hold the camera. Last time I do a video, people say, Randy, only I show the sky. Viewers, you know, Jamaican people, one must really look on, one must really say, you know, Randy channel. You see Jamaica Good Life people. We're looking for the positive. That's all we try to look for in a life. I mean, if everything is negative, I'm here, bird are sing and rain a fall and keep the palm tree. Why is it not looking for the negative? Look for life, eh? Man and woman in the house, that means that they're happy. Somebody's getting love tonight. You see what I said to you? There will be a roast breadfruit somewhere in that house. I need to find it. Ice cream shop with little girl that dance. Look up on the ice cream shop. Up on the lifestyle. Eh? And mango the palm tree like say gungo the palm peas. Hey! Let it rain the blessing Lord. Let it rain. Natasha we struck the goal. Look on it. Me say let it rain Lord. This is not enough showers. More, pour it on. Me say pour on the blessing. I need more water to wash my soul clean. Sing the song, girl. Yes, yes. I need more water to wash my soul. Come and see some house today. Why said Mary? And I welcome the prodigal son. Eh? So, me say if you not see Jamaica in the same light again, you know, walk with and dirty to rat. When I gas up the car so I can't go further now. Me say, what an experience, huh? Eh? All the negative news I see on YouTube, me know say, when the boys see that video here, what am I gonna say? You know, say around the right, it can't be so bad. You see what I'm saying? That them people that live and nobody now show the world what really going on, eh? So I'm showing the man with the mansions them. St. Mary now. House after house, I don't even know what that name about that name. Eh? Eh? It's Tower Isles? Jaja, I love it, man. I love the fact that Jamaica has the crevice and the corners and the ackee and the bananas and the yam and the potato, the dasheen and the cocoa, the mango and the neeseberry, the soursop and the custard apple. Look at the purple mango there, purple mango. Alright people, see it here, in Nickel Button Talawa. So, you see the house for sale there. House for sale, telephone 275 0906. 275-0906. Now remember, if you're retired, it's St. Mary. I'm gonna check it out. At least if you don't really want the house, the mango tree is loaded. Just buy the mango tree. And there's another house in front of it too. So your message to know. Why? Yes, my dear. And Natasha, big up Natasha, the Russian Jamaican. Only speak English too. Hey, yeah, today was great for me. I love it. I got out of my bed, I saw the world in a different light, and I saw the ocean with the stones. You know, St. Thomas is also getting up there, so I'm going to take a tour of St. Thomas, right? And then I'm going to go to Westmoreland. Portland, I'm going to take a tour of the homes there. But we're doing a home tour because at the end of the day, the news online is so vicious right now. And it's all a perception because there's life everywhere. You have to look for the positive and make life what you want it. And protect yourself at all costs, you know. And there's going to be ups and downs. Nothing is straightforward and perfect. I can guarantee you that. There will be what? Ups and downs. The roads might not be paved nicely, but it creates a privacy when them can't drive too fast or them biker they can't jump around. So they're not coming in the neighborhood with the foolishness. So whether your house is not complete, it's a dream, and everybody work hard to see their grandchildren have something to say. A grandma house, and grandma built a legacy. The slaves they fought for us, our freedom, and it is in our best interest to build our country. It is our country. This is your Chief of Jamaica speaking, Mr. Randy Pottinger. I anoint myself Chief of Jamaica, for I have been looking at the positive in Jamaica for so many years. I'm the honorable, a double honorable upon the name. I'm the honorable Randy Pottinger. At the yellow house that. Yeah, man.
100 meters, turn right onto Ocean View Drive.
The honorable Randy Pottinger. Yes, people. Also St. Mary are going. Yes. You finding the way out? You take a right. Thank you, Natasha, the Russian Jamaican. She can drink vodka, I see. I have to keep the vodka them from me. I do vodka. No, sir. She want to know, man. I first one miss me drink whiskey so hard. No, sir. Whiskey, bourbon, vodka, you name it. Hard.
Free mango.
Hey, pass me two of the mango. Pass me two of the mango now, boss. A big hug? Oh, Lord God, man. All right, later. All right. 802 for sale by own another piece of land. 802 what?
0551.
0551. It's beside a nice house. Okay, so in a life, one thing you know, instead of investing in a foreign, when them start digitize the currency, you can't take out your money. Buy a piece of land, you never go down in value. We get old, we dead, left it for the picnic them. Left or right, make a go. Right, so we're all gonna get old in a one casket one day, but me not dead. I'm coming back again for the chicken and the boat. You know this life, once you proclaim it, you're going to come back and eat it. Alright, so that neighborhood doesn't look too hot. Is it? It's one of the one about them. But look on the yard, yeah, eh?
That's a church.
Church.
That's a tree. Wow.
Nice church. Now go back to the main. Look at the sea view in St. Mary. Yes. But one thing though, I gotta say, the old people in my past and the next generation, you guys watching this video, you know, a lot of property, a lot of things going on. I like the tour. And how far is Oche? 10 minutes. been watching Jamaica Good?
August 2018.
August of 2000 what?
2018.
2018. So you watch a lot of the episodes?
From the grill to Manchester. Then you were with Lambert and Tika. Yeah, all of that. Watch a lot of episodes of Angelina, Patrick. Yeah. And then change and balance come.
Boom. Boom. Philosophy. Adventure Farm. What's that about? That's Ochi Farm Great House. Prospect.
The Prospect area, right? We get across the river into St. Ann.
Uh-huh.
And then, so we're right near the border of St. Ann and St. Mary.
That's it. It's called Prospect. So, right, this is a nice sweet spot because you get the best of both worlds.
Okay, so this white thing here, that's where the other beaches that I was talking about.
Okay.
Pleasant Grove.
Pleasant Grove Beach.
And then you do rafting on the river down here.
Rafting, okay.
This is White River.
White River.
And
Oh, we
separates St.
sent-
Mary and St. Ann.
White River separates St. Mary and St. Anne. So you get the best of both worlds.
So you're basically luxurious now.
Don't we know Chirias? That's not far. So now what's the best thing to eat in Ochi?
Oh, I love Indian food.
Indian food is good here? Hmm? Or is it available here tonight? They open? Okay. Okay. Indian food, she say. Ocherias. So, what's going with things and building up?
Yeah, which
Moving up. Yes, yes, yes. Massive auto parts. Beautiful. So this is your this is a place that drops you. People, this is what you know, my family's in what, you know, passengers are big in Claremont. And my family is in Ochi. Progressive food.
Red says mail.com. That's another drop shipping.
That looks pretty good.
That's where I will
So
go.
this is the new Ochi basically. It's a build up whole section over there, juicy patties. Sakara Express. The beach is over there, right? So this is new. This section is new. That's new. So my friend is over at Pyramid Housing Scheme, one of the fans. Beautiful over there. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So this is where you gotta drive to. This is where you have to drive to get your fun.
This left, but the next left you're gonna, because this is too far down. So past that bus and make the right. Sorry, down this road you talk.
That's all?
Yeah, right here. And then, oh, look at the
What?
traffic to go down into the place.
Oh, okay, that's the traffic. Jojo. Sure you want to do that? Nah. That'll go here. Nah, Too much things are going on there, so.
Yeah, we're gonna postpone. But this is open now.
We're getting LA. Okay. That's how they're famous. Watching. This is what you're telling people. It's that beach, right?
Yeah, the beach is down there.
Yeah, I remember this. It's been a while. Them have good jerk chicken. What other taste for see where them are going then? Eh? Jamaica, good life, and I want to see if the jerk chicken are going. Because we travel all over and see what you are going with a Sunday door. Regular watch it thing. And then there are sentence and I watching, you know, man. Yeah, man, the regular beach life. Craft market, listen. Life look tough over there. Yeah, man, tourism, Jamaica tourism. In this one? Okay. You want to circle back? Can you go this way or somewhere? No, right?
No, you have to circle back.
Mongoose, Jamaica. What is a restaurant? Is that a good restaurant? Yeah. Let's see, let me get $2 don't come in need.